to debate who will be the President of America. Every man will argue for random reasons.
Vote for me because everyone except me sucks. I am the best. Blah blah. Like a ooh.
Vote for me because I look nice and play Call of Duty.
Vote for me because I told you so, but not if your name is Joe Lacario.
Too bad, so sad I'm going to win because I have weird eyebrows like you.
You all suck at being a leader. Now I'm gonna take and pool like a somebody.
My name is Bob. I like corn on cob. Leading is my job.
No, you suck like a rubber duck inside a fire truck.
Trellelulo el trel trellelulo el trol trellelulo el trol trellelulo el trol.
No one will be the president because all of you are fools in swimming pools.